Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Perfect Forex. It is good to have you back. It is good to have you back. For a while now, I haven't really been available because I had some uh, matters I needed to attend to. But right now, guys, I am back and I am back for good. So, guys, today we'll just be doing a market. We'll be doing market overview, and I'll be showing you guys how we were able to up on some of the moves we are currently riding. We are currently riding uh, on our free Telegram group. On our free Telegram group, the signals. Some of the market I'll be analyzing today. These signals we're giving. This um this was given on the 20th of February 2022. And today is just 21. That means it was given a day before this day, and we are currently riding the market, and we are in good profit. So, guys, we'll be doing a quick analysis of some of these trades and some of these commodities and how we're able to up on the move. Okay, guys, quickly let's start with boom 500 index. As you can see, the markup is still on the screen. I think we got in on this trade from this very point. I won't really be doing any market analysis or breakdown. I'll be showing you guys how we're able to just get to the trade and where we are currently. So, guys, we entered into this trade at this very point using our 2ES strategy. By the way, I recommend my personal trading strategy for anybody. Personal trading strategy works on any account size and can work on any commodity. It works on any commodity. It trades the currency pair market well enough, and also it does trade the synthetic indices market well enough. So, guys, I can recommend my trading strategy for anybody and for any account. So if you're interested in learning how I trade or using my personal trading strategy, you can hit me up. I'll be dropping the link to my Telegram group in the description box below, so you can hit me up and I will do well to respond. So, guys, we upped on this trade from this point, and currently we are in good profit. We are riding the market on this one. I think it's just about 43 pips to the upside. We are going long on this trade on boom 500 index, and our first take profit level will be looking at exiting the market uh, at this point for our first take profit level, and also we'll be looking at exiting the market where we've targeted for our second take profit level is this point. So if price decides to reverse from this point, we would have left the market. So if you open, for those that are actually on the Telegram group and they are actually watching this, if you open double positions or you opened multiple positions on this trade, I advise that once it hits take profit one, I advise that you break even or move your stop loss above your entry, so that if eventually or if peradventure it pushes to the downside from this point, then you won't be tapped out in loss. So, guys, there's every possibility that price pushes to the downside, comes to this point to retest again and continues to the upside, or it just continues to the upside from um this point, from our point of entry, continues to the upside to this point. So, guys, that's that about boom 500 index. This is the analysis for 500 index. We got in on this trade at this point, and currently we are about almost 50 pips to the upside. And also the second commodity we are currently on is the boom 1000 index commodity. The boom 1000 index commodity. As you can see, the markups are still on the screen, and we are going short on this market. We enter this market from this very point, and you can see we are riding the market to the downside. And at this point also, price is forming another sell another sell chart pattern. This is actually looking like uh, a bearish flag on the 15 minutes time, on the 1 hour time frame. Is 1 hour time frame, okay. On the 15 minutes time frame, price is already looking like a bearish flag, and there's every time they see that price pushes to the downside from this point and continues to sell to this very point. As you can see, based on our markout, this is our first take profit level. Sorry guys, this is our second take profit level, and this is our first take profit level. Second take profit level, first, this is first take profit level, this is second take profit level. Now there's every possibility that price breaks through these two take profit levels, comes to this trend line and pushes to the upside, because right now boom 1000 is on an overall buy. It's on an overall buy. Going to the daily time frame, you get to see that boom 1000 is on an overall buy. We are just taking advantage of the retracement it is making at the moment. We are taking advantage of the retracement it is making at the moment to make a few pips from the market, to just make some few pips from the market. So guys, that's that about boom 1000 index market. So also we are in on crash 300 index, although at the moment price is spiking to the downside, and I don't really know why, because initially we were in very good profits. Right now price has spiked to the downside. You can see the markups are still on the screen. The markups are still on the screen. As you can see, this is an equal low, and what follows suit after an equal low is a push to the upside. It's a push to the upside. So guys, you're looking at although you're already on this move, so you're looking at price buying from this point, our point of entry, to this first take profit level, this first take profit level. So our fingers are still crossed, because right now it's as though it is pushing to the downside, but our fingers are still crossed, seeing that we are still very much in the market. We are still very much in the market. We've not been tapped out, so there's no doubt, there's no fear. Until you get tapped out from a market, don't fret, don't fret. Guys, we're looking at pushing or going long with this market to this upside, to this upside, to this price point, to this price point. So that's that about that on crash 300 index. And also we are currently riding the V51S market, V51S market, and at this on this commodity we are on a sell move. Can you see the markups are still on the screen? We are on a sell move. We are on a sell move, and we're able to get on this trade based on just few confirmations. Can you see? Let me just highlight how we're able to get on this trade. Can you see at this point, just a few confirmations? This was an initial support, which turned resistance. Initial support, which turned resistance. So price actually sold from this point, sold to this downside, bought to this point. Let me make it more bold or zoomed for you guys to see. So guys, price sold to this point, came down to this point, pushed to this upside, and as you can see, a double top was formed. A double top was formed. You might not really be able to see it, but I am actually seeing a double top at this moment, at this point, at this price point. Seeing a double top here, and that was the confirmation I needed to enter the market for a sell. That was the first confirmation I needed to enter for a sell. I waited for other confirmations like candlestick pattern, candle momentum, and the likes, and I gave the signal on the general group that V51S was going to drop to the downside. As you can see, it is still pushing to the downside. We are in significant profit at the moment. I think the market has moved from our point of entry to where it is right now, about 85 pips, So guys, that's that about V51S. And also we analyzed the signal for V751X, the monster commodity of all commodities, because many traders are actually scared to trade V751S let us say one is V75, pardon me, V75, because many of them see it as the monster commodity of the synthetic indices market. Any traders are actually scared to trade V75 because it has actually caused a lot of harm. It has caused a lot of havoc to so many people and a lot of accounts. So guys, V75, we are currently on a short move. We are selling V75 at the moment on the general group, and we entered from this point. Can you see that the markup is still on the screen? I think we entered from this point somewhere around there, and right now, as you can see, price has sold to this downside about it's about 300 pips plus 300 pips. Well, let me about 300 pips, and we are in good profit. We are in very good profit. So guys, that's that about V75. Let me just show you how I was able to up on this trade on the V75 index market, on the V75 index market. So guys, the first thing I looked out for was a chart pattern. I discovered that there was a chart pattern at this point. Okay, let me give you this information for free. Chart patterns always trump market structure. Chart patterns always trump market structure. Never trade against a chart pattern. No matter how good your strategy is, no matter how complete it is, never trade against a chart pattern. So I saw a triple top at this point. It was first top, second top, third top, and after 3 tops or 2 tops, what follows suit is a bearish move. It's a bearish move. So I waited for, seeing that I missed the move at this third top, I waited for a retracement and another confirmation to enter the sell on the lower time frame. I discovered that at this point, price was actually, this was where we entered from, I think somewhere around there or so. This or this, I can't really remember now, but it was an inverted candle. So guys, and if, as you can see, price is actually forming a bearish flag. Price formed the bearish flag, and we were able to up on the move. We were able to up on the move after the breakout to the downside and a bearish candle rejection. We upped on the move, sold from this point, placed our stop loss just a little above this highs here, and right now, as you can see, we are in significant profit. So that's that about V75, and also on volatility 300s. I'm looking at pushing the market to the upside. I'm looking at riding the market to the upside. Let's quickly do a quick analysis of that commodity. So guys, 301s, as you can see, my chart has been marked out. Can you see, guys? My chart has been marked out, and this is actually a wedge. This is actually a triangle. Okay, this is actually a wedge. This is a chart pattern. This is a wedge, and as you can see, price has broken out from this wedge, and it is retesting this upper horizontal line. And every tendency that price pushes to the upside. Let's look at let me see. Let's go to 4 hours time frame, so we can mark out possible zones for taking our profit. So guys, we're looking at exiting the market at this point for our first take profit, and our second take profit will be us riding the market from this point all the way to this very point. So guys, if you're not a swing trader, if you're a scalper and you don't have the strength or the mental capacity to hold trades for days, then you can just make use of this information, scalp to your satisfaction and exit the market. But for those of us who are actually swing traders, we can hold trades for months. I've actually held a trade for literally about 3 months. I've literally held the trade for 3 months. 3 months. So guys, if you don't have the mental capacity to hold trades, you can just scalp and exit the market. So guys, we're looking at pushing the market or riding the market from this point to this upside and exiting the market. We're using this point as our first take profit and this point as our second take profit. So guys, that's that about what I have for you guys today. That's that about what I have for you guys today. Just market review and points of entry and points of exit. As you can see, I didn't do any analysis. I didn't draw out my Fibonacci. I was just playing around with the trend lines and the horizontal line. So guys, if you want access, if you want to get access to analysis like this, you can actually join the free Telegram group. The link will be dropped in the description box below for you guys to join. If you want access to live sessions, to market analysis and reviews, and also more valuable content, you can join the free Telegram group. And if you want to um, have one-on-one sessions, you can actually hit the admins up, and we will do to respond. I will do to respond. So guys, that's that about that. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Do have a great day and God bless you.